Hi pretties, welcome to a new year vlog. All the clips which are captured in this new year vlog are from this year. Hope 2021 will be great year for all of us. Here you can see the decoration of yellow light. Actually it's a road and there was two hedges around its both side. So there was a wedding in our society, so they have decorated the hedge all along the way, and they kept this decoration for 4 to 5 days. So I have also captured this view and it looks so amazing and so wonderful in real. It is giving quite fairy tale vibes. Now I'm going to start my weekly vlog. It's vlog number 6 and let's start from first day of this new year. So I went with my cousin for outing and for in food we have a desi food because my cousins love the desi food. It was quite foggy and chilly outside, so we warmed our hand little bit around the coal heater which they put just around the table or sitting arrangement. Then we went to another place for dessert. So two of us have choose a cinnamon rolls and other have choose a chocolate pastry, and we also had a tea over there. Seats were filled inside, so for some time we sit outside. You can notice that I'm wearing the mustard mask which I have bought from Zine. So I'm pairing it with my brown teddy coat. After some time we get a place inside and then we get our cinnamon rolls and pastries along with the tea. Now here you can see I'm trying my tea and later on I've tried my cinnamon along with this tea. When we returned to home, then we took my dog for a walk. So it was quite cold, so I wear my woolen cap as well. Maxi always lead us in walks, so she as usual walk ahead of us. On 3rd January, we just went to a superstore to see some dry fruit and we just get some roasted peanuts. On 6th January, we went to Darwesh. It's on Berkey Road and there was also a lot of brand over there so you can try its food. I was not feeling very well, so I just tried soup. But my cousin has tried a few dishes from there, and they were saying that all are very delicious. So I took some photos with my cousins. So I have tried their sweet and sour chicken soup, and it was quite delicious. So my cousin have tried their kebabs, tawa chicken and chicken karai, and they were saying all are delicious. Then we went to Service Lane. It's near Askri 11 or DHA. There was also so many brands over there, and we went to JB's for ice cream. Actually, they serve brownie with the ice cream, so it's again very delicious. If you are planning for a dessert, it's very good and economical as well. We also took some photos over there. Here you can see the interior of service lane, and here you can see the serving of brownie and ice cream is quite big, so one can easily filled with this one. So hope you have enjoyed this vlog, and if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe.